Mr. Dodson.
Oh boy. Yes, ma'am.
Who are you talking to?
I'm actually not certain.
Well, that hardly seems like an efficient use of your time, does it, Mr. Dodson?
Ma'am, I assure you, all projects are fully on schedule or ahead of schedule.
I'm going to stop you there, Mr. Dodson.
All right.
Are you under the impression that you are deserving of some sort of special recognition because you're doing your job?
Certainly not.
That you have somehow earned the right, by doing us the honor of living up to the most minimal expectations of your position? That you are above admonition for lackluster performance?
Mrs. Moo, if you have specific examples of how my performance, or lack thereof, has in any way been anything less than exemplary, I will be more than happy to make any necessary adjustments to my approach to this job. However, I think you will find that my department, of which I am the sole member, has outperformed nearly every other department many times over. So, if from time to time I feel the desire to speak with people I don't know, I'm not sure I understand how this in any way is a detriment to the overall functioning of this ship. Mrs. Moo?
I wasn't listening. You said too many words all in a row. And I was deeply involved in preparation for the berating of Mr. Ernst in the next corridor.
Is there anything else, Mrs. Moo?
Yes. Take those ridiculous candles off your head. You look a fool.